Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 302. The volume is too fragmented to complete this operation. Error disk too fragmented on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error, the first workaround is optimize your drive. Go to Windows search and type defragment and optimize drives. And open defragment and optimize drives. Click on open. Here select your problematic drive and click on optimize. After that, close the window and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Apply disk cleanup in your system. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open it. Disk cleanup wizard will open. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. Click on OK and make the check against all these options: temporary internet files, delivery optimization files, recycle bin, temporary files, and user file history, and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. After that, close the window and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and here type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute these three DISM tool as shown on screen. DISM online cleanup image scan help, DISM online cleanup image check help, and DISM online cleanup image restore help. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time, and follow on screen instruction to complete the DISM scanning process. After that, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and here type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command chk dsk/x/f/r and press enter. Scan your system with chk dsk scan, press Y and press enter, and next time restart your system will be a scan.